Ogeneko Commission ya Corona ugumania gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ EACC nĩ ĩrutĩire mũkana ateti arĩa marĩ wobici makoretwo makĩhũthĩra indo cia mũingĩ gũkinyanĩria kambĩ-ini ciao makĩaria marĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro kĩrĩa kĩrathiĩ na mbere kĩa honge ngũrani cia kũrũa na ungumania harĩ hamwe na rũhonge rwa magoti, rũhonge rwa thitango cia mũingĩ na wobici ya mũnene wa watho. Atongoria acio a EACC maugĩte ungumania nĩguo wa kerĩ harĩ maũndũ marĩa marahinyĩrĩria bũrũri mũno makĩria thutha wa wagi wa mawĩra.
That corruption poses very serious challenges to our country, and it is actually ranked as number 2 after the unemployment of the youth. So for that reason, and for the fact that no one institution can deal with corruption as much as it is independent in its own field, we need to put our heads together, discuss, come up with practical solutions to deal with corruption.
There is nobody who can now take public resources and say this is campaign period and they need that money. So we would like to warn, as it were, all those who are political aspirants, whether those who are sitting or those who want to come in, that they do not use public resources or public offices for their campaigns in order for them to win the positions that they are seeking for.
Campaigns are not yet in and they should not actually be there. It's time to work. But politics is politics. Politicians are politicians. Mine would be to tell them we avoid hate speech. It is not allowed in the country. We have a very good law that bars hate speech and any other form of abuse of national cohesion. Incitement, absolutely, it's a criminal offense. And I would urge all the law enforcement agencies to be on the lookout so that whoever breaches the law is actually brought to book.